So you're gonna want to go ahead and compress your brake pads. And what you need to do is you need to use the old one or the new one, whatever it is. I always use the old one, and jam it in between here so you can push the cylinders back in place. All right, you can use a C-clamp or this. I prefer to use this because it's the actual tool for the brakes, but a C-clamp will do just fine. All right, now we tighten this up all the way. Here, do you mind holding this for me real quick? All right, so here we go. The goal right here is to make sure that these go back in and it's as even as possible so you don't damage your caliper.
And the new ones, they're getting smaller.
Right. Oh, and also create room to put the new ones in. Man, it's been so long since I've done this. The compressing of these motherfuckers. You should show them the brake cap over there, bro. Tell them they're losing it up.
Oh yeah, remember that all the pressure is gonna come back. So remember to open this. So all this, it has room to breathe.
Yeah, make sure you open the brake reservoir. That way, whenever you compress these things, there's enough movement going in there. All right.
Beautiful, all the way.
There we go. Now it's all the way in. If you want to get an up close shot of that. Okay. And we're just gonna put this and leave this hanging up here. Leave it out of our way. There you go. All right, now I think it's a bigger one. Yeah, it is. It's an 18 millimeter. All right, bro, are you sure we need to take this off too? Yeah. Okay. See, it's 20. There you go. 20, 19. That's a 19 one.
¿No quiere?
It doesn't want to move, no.
¿Ah?
No, I don't want to move.
¿Por qué? ¿No se mueve?
Yeah, it's got to be this way.
Sí. No. Espérate, necesitamos algo para hacer palanca. Hold on. Espérame. Sí, tiene que jalarme. Espérame.